Marriage is a life sentence. Cannot put an end, a period with your married life. Because married life is identical, is sharing the richness of Christ's life, having the church as his bride. Love as a faithful response to the calling of communion, loving one another as a complete expression of joy and happiness. We come together as witnesses to that gift of love God has given you, so that the essence of love, you will be able to live your married life. Tell that, do us part. Masoy man ha? Tell that, do us part. And in the history of the church, especially in the economy of salvation, that is to say, God the Father so loved the world that he gave us his only begotten Son. Love existed with time, a time which is identical with Christ, the God of all eternities. And according to a Greek philosopher, or an Oriental philosopher, Confucius, there must be a distinction of time with earthly sense and godly sense. He continues to say, time is too long for those who wait. Earthly sense, labi dugay maabot atong asawa, bagulbuta, daghan tagpamalikas. And according to him, time is to strip for those of fear. Hadlok tag in the course of time, we have nothing to eat, to finance our children, and so on and so forth. He continues, time is too slow for those who grieve. Simba ko lang doon ay masakit. Kano sa aman ay matapos all my agonies in life. But during birthdays, time is too short for those who rejoice. Labi na, in times, you were hanging with friends. Apasos asawa. But for those who love, time is eternal. Time which is in conformity to the will of God. The so-called Kairos. Answering God's prayer, waiting my wife, waiting my husband, who himself is a seaman. Kadugay mo donggo, maharol, oy. To love is eternal. not getting something from your wife, your sacramental wife, but it is always giving to her your best. And if you do so, that is